Have you ever wondered if an app built for micro-investing, like Acorns, can really fit into a broader, more diversified investment strategy? That's the question I asked myself when I started investing. I loved the roundups feature for effortlessly saving spare change, but as my portfolio grew, I realized I needed more control and diversification than one app could offer alone. So, what's the best way to combine Acorns with other investing apps like a traditional brokerage? Direct hit defining the roles of your investment apps. The key is to give each app a specific job. Think of your investing life as an ecosystem. Acorns, the automated savings engine. This is where I use the roundups and set up small, consistent recurring deposits. Because of its nature, Acorns is perfect for passive, set it and forget it, dollar cost averaging into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. The monthly fees are worth it for the automation and forcing me to save without thinking about it. Other brokerages, e.g., Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, the core portfolio. This is where I house my major, long-term investments. This might include IRAs, Roth or traditional, individual stocks, or more complex ETFs where I want precise control over the asset allocation. This is for the serious money, the foundation. Hammer and wrench the strategy, complement, don't compete. You don't want to duplicate your efforts. Here's the straight-to-the-point strategy 1 follow. Use Acorns for micro-investing and experimentation. The money here comes from spare change and small weekly transfers. It's low effort, low friction saving. It serves as a fantastic starter or side portfolio that you can check less frequently. Use your brokerage for intentional diversification. I use my main brokerage to fill the gaps in my overall asset allocation. Acorns portfolios are generally broad, but they might be light on specific sectors, international exposure, or bond types. My main brokerage allows me to strategically purchase targeted ETFs to balance my total portfolio's risk profile. Prevent overlap, know your holdings. Since Acorns primarily invests in ETFs, check the underlying holdings. For instance, if a high percentage of your Acorns portfolio is in a U.S. large-cap ETF, ensure you aren't heavily overallocating to that same sector in your main brokerage. This is about managing your overall risk and exposure across all accounts. Use external integrations to monitor. Many popular finance tracking tools, like budgeting apps, allow you to link your Acorns account alongside your brokerage accounts. This is the only way to get a single, unified view of your total net worth and asset allocation. While you can't move funds between the platforms instantly, monitoring them together is crucial for smart diversification. By separating the function, passive savings in Acorns, active, strategic allocation in a dedicated brokerage, you get the best of both worlds, automated growth and high-level control. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.